We got rumors for the Samsung Galaxy S10's display, and it will go from edge to edge apparently. New pixel renders are emerging, and we have a pretty good look at what we're getting. And the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is also getting different color options. I'm Jaime Rivera, reporting from beautiful Guatemala City, and yes, I know I said getting too many times. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. If you're in the market for the Samsung Galaxy S9, we've got two really good ones. If you go to B&H, they've got the dual SIM unlocked variant for $610, which is kind of crazy. But if you also want a Gear S3 to be bundled, BestBuy has got it for $720, meaning the combination of both, which is a definite good deal. You can learn more in the description. And speaking of Samsung Gear smartwatches, we've been hearing so many rumors of the Gear S4. For those of you that are interested, apparently that S4 is going to have a 20-something% larger battery, 470 milliamp hours compared to last year's model, which didn't have the best battery life, particularly if you left that display always on. So yeah, hopefully that will be the case. Maybe IFA will be the announcement time. Now let's talk about Samsung, the Galaxy Note 9. We are expecting it to launch somewhere around August 2nd or August 7th. Please, Samsung, let me know to buy my plane tickets on time. Thing about it is we've got color options that'll follow most of the scheme of the Galaxy S9, but apparently there's going to be this brown option, and bear with me, I don't think it's going to be brown, I think it's going to be copper. Stay tuned, because that will probably be my favorite color. Now let's talk about the Google Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL. We've got some fan-based renders. We don't really cover those, you know that, but these are very credible, mainly because we've got the notch at the top, we've got the chin at the bottom, but the chin includes the stereo speaker, the dual firing speaker at the bottom, which for me makes a lot of sense. If Google follows on this design, then we've got the glass back that looks great. Whatever the case may be, I can't wait to see this phone. Let's just hope that it looks just like this and that notch doesn't look too bad. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy S10. We had a lot of Samsung today, but the news were good, particularly because of this one, where we hear that the display is going to be covering most of the front of the phone, which is great. Apparently, Samsung really needs to make a change with this phone because of the way sales have been. So yeah, redesign is great, but I'm kind of concerned over the changes. We will have a 3D camera at the top, so there will be a minor bezel at the top, but then apparently we're getting bone conduction for the earpiece, meaning the dual stereo speakers will probably die. And you know, in today's question, let us know, what do you think about bone conduction? I'm not gonna lie, I've listened to it. It's different. You can hear in very noisy environments, which is great, but it's different. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our review of the OnePlus 6 down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.